right. Hey, I'm trying to do an intro here, bro. All right, guys, it's Tuesday night. February, what's the date today?
The 1st.
It's February 1st.
It's Chinese New Year today.
Chinese New Year. So we've gathered some of our closest friends. Actually, I don't know if they're friends or enemies. I haven't figured it out yet.
That's why most of them are Chinese right now. That's why they're coming out right now. They're celebrating.
I think only two of them Asian. Is it descent or accent or?
This gotta be a racist.
I think you need to take over.
Hey, Juan, are you clicking or walkie-talkie?
So, we're going to Origins. We're going to Origins meet tonight. We got the youngest member of Straight Up Driven.
We're talking about
And
Tony.
where are we going tonight?
We're going to have fun.
We're gonna have fun. I like that. We're gonna have fun.
Are we gonna go meet some girls?
No.
It's just guys for Victor. So please click on the link below. Leave your number. Victor will be contacting you shortly.
And the only reason why I'm actually getting the contact, so I go to give it to my brother, you know?
Again, unfortunately, Mark's still the fastest in the McLaren 720S. We got to find somebody faster to hang out with because it like hurts my soul every time I have to say Mark's the fastest. That's Mark right there that owns the McLaren 720S. Then we have Brian right here that owns the McLaren 600 LT, and he's rocking a custom broken carbon fiber rear bumper tonight.
Yeah, you can't buy that airflow.
So then we got Wally. Wally's actually one of the sponsors for Straight Up Driven. We tricked him. We got him in early. So, you know, Wally has to pay money for life, so he's locked in. It's blood in, blood out.
Por vida, eh?
But this is Wally's beautiful brand new Porsche that's sitting here. It came in black. It is now gray.
What they want to do, they want to see how long the car could last in weather before it starts cracking, falling apart.
He's actually driving his Performante, so you'll be seeing that on the trip. Juan right here. So Juan is the mafia boss, King Oso. You don't mess with Juan. You see Juan coming, you cross the street, or you will end up in a barrel. I don't know if
What do you say, barrel of acid? Or
do you still do barrel of acid, or do you guys did you guys go a different direction now?
Oh, it's lard. We cook in lard.
Lard. So Juan has about 50 cars, so we never know which one he's bringing. But he's in the Ferrari. What is it? The Ferrari.
The same one that's on fucking same 5 videos. I only have 2 cars.
It's we call that the grocery getter. And then we got short midget Victor that's also going to be helping us out tonight, and he'll be driving the slow Ferrari.
Well, he was meeting the stud, you know. So let me clear that up a little bit. So we got Tony in the Lamborghini again. So realistically, he. You can freaking beep that out.
Listen, hey, do you think that I'm bullshit? Hey, the only guy. I won't put him on blast, but we're in Mexico, so it's all legal. But he's always, this makes this man the best driver out there.
Yes. When everybody else can't drive when they smoke, I have to smoke, and then I'm driving like on point.
What's your new channel?
Brand new channel, EXOTIQ. We started a few months ago. It's more about showcasing your build and what your passion is behind why you built it. So
you need to leave right now.
Hey,
you're taking up too many spaces.
Get out of here. Nobody likes you. With another friend of ours, Street Plugs, has a channel. Check it out because we love to promote all our friends.
Let's go right idea, wrong motherfucker. You better check in.
So we're gonna zoom in on this beautifully custom cracked carbon fiber rear bumper on the McLaren 600 LT. I think Brian said somebody hit him. I think Brian backed into something. I'll let you be the judge. Oh, that's cracked all the way through. He did a good job. Nice. It's gonna be pricey to fix.
My red one?
Check out the Lamborghini. This is Wally's Lamborghini. It's a Performante. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to shoot here. You're in my way. I apologize. You know, trying to get car content.
For one.
Just got
So
my
this
car
is a really clean Audi R8 with the fender flares, the red interior with the red wheels. Makes it pop. I like that. And we talk about it all the time. There's Mark's 720 with the new red wrap. But he's got the full carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber hood.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
I mean, I really like the layout. We got Omar here, the star of the show. Everywhere we go,
I'm gonna bill you guys for this.
everywhere we go, Omar knows everybody. The guy's literally worked in every profession. Like, he knows everybody. Like, he just needs to start promoting the channel.
Yeah, this
Probably
is the
get more
star right
likes.
here. This is the
Oh,
star.
whatever. That guy right
This is the moon too.
Hey, bro. I mean, if you have to show him Victor's retarded Ferrari, you can. It's over there in the corner. You like every other car but the Ferrari, right? Damn it, it's my brother's car. You're supposed to say that's, you know. What's your name?
Enrique.
Tony, bro. Tony. Yeah, it's my brother's car, but I'm trying to, you know, all the other cars are better than his car. That's what I'm trying to tell the camera. But
Hey, camera. Listen to this guy. He knows what he's talking
I appreciate it, bro. I appreciate it. He's like, I'll catch that.
He's like, I just found somebody that smells worse than me.
Wow. Bro, I smell great.
He's like, where are you hiding the drugs?